Hi, we're Group 43 and we're going over our Sprint 3 deliverable. So for Sprint 3, our task was to create an approval process with automated email alerts depending on whether the request was approved or rejected by an admin or authorized user. So this process should be as simple as pressing a button, followed by the flow builder automatically updating the record and sending the email to all relevant parties depending on the record type. After reviewing our last sprint, we discovered that the automated email process was not functioning as intended due to the mechanism by which the request was updated. By adjusting our website layout and activating a new process flow in the Flow Builder, we have streamlined our overall approval process.
Next, we established reports for past and current experiential learning approval requests. The reports needed to contain all necessary and relevant information, including 3 types that users can generate pertaining to the requests. The 3 types of reports we created are EL reports by date, EL requests by department, as well as account data quality descriptions. The first 2 reports are public, while the third is a data quality report which identifies trends in data quality within accounts. In the next sprint, we plan to further customize the website design as well as learn how to make a customer service portal.
Thank you.